Hello everyone, in this video we will see the registration form in PHP with MySQL database. So let us come to IGE and create a new file here and save this registration.php. Now the basic syntax of PHP. First, what we will do, we will simply create a form here, form, and its action will be same registration dot php, and its method will be post. Now we'll close the form tag here. Inside this form, what we have to do, we will simply first we'll give a message here. Let's cut this from here. Now in the paragraph, registration form, align it to center and provide a style, font size 2 em. So let us see this on the browser. Registration form. Now what we will do, I will copy this basic HTML table and paste it here. Now in this table, what is here, it is a simple table giving us one table row and 2 TDs, and in this TD I will input type text, name will be name. Now I will copy this whole row from here and paste it here. Email, and this will be email. Similarly for phone number, input type tel, and now set username, input type text and username, password and input type password. Now we have to write here confirm password, because when we set password we have to confirm it. Confirm password and pass1, pass2, and this will be pass1. So now the last thing is what we have to do, we have simply write one more TD and its call span will be 2 and it will be aligned to right. Now in this TD, what we will write, we'll simply write this way: input type submit and name will be submit sub, and its value will be register. So let us save this and see this on browser. You can see here name, email, phone number, set username, password, confirm password, Let's make this set password and refreshing it. Phone number, username, set password, confirm password, and then register. So this was the basic HTML which we have written here. Now what we have to do when the user clicks on this button, submit button, the first thing that should happen, we will write some event here, on click event, and this will call validate, and let's remove this from here. We will do everything in PHP. One thing we have to write here is this required. In every field we will write this. Then we do not need this validation. Oh, sorry, not here. Name, email, and phone, set username, set password, confirm password. Okay, let's refresh this. Now in PHP what we will do, we will simply copy the values of these variables. If submit button is hit, then what we will do, we will copy the value of these fields dollar of name equal to dollar underscore post, then the name of this field, dollar of EML equal to dollar underscore post. Actually we will copy this from here and paste it here. Email, and here dollar of EML, email, phone, let me check what I have. Its name is phone, so I was right here. Now paste it and pass actually here pass 1, pass 2, and in here this confirm pass. Now what we have to do, we have to compare if dollar of pass is equal to dollar of C pass. If this is not equal to, then what we will do, we will simply echo a message here, script message, script password does not match. Then call this div function. Let us check up to this. Refresh this. First I will click this register, then this field is required. I will provide my name, email, and phone number is password 123123, and username will be password will be 1234, and confirm password will be 3456. Let us see what happened. password doesn't match. So if I set this as 1 2 3 4 5 6 and second 1 2 3 4 5 6, now you can see. Now what we have to do, we have simply insert this data inside a database. Actually we have created a table inside the database whose name is PHP data. Now we have to insert the data into the table which is inside this PHP data database. The name of table is let me check the name of table. Register. The name of table is register, and the name of you can see it here. The name of database is this PHP data, and name of table is this register. I will browse. There are few fields like ID, name, email, phone, username, and password. What we will do, we will simply insert this data which is here in these variables, and now what we have to write to insert data in database, we have simply write a query here. The name of query will be SQL underscore query. Now what we have to write, we have to write insert into the name of table. Name of table is register. It is case insensitive, we do not. Now insert into register, then the values, insert into register, then the name of columns. First column is name, second column is email, and the third column is phone. Let me check it. Third column is phone and username, password. The fourth column is username. In here the name of columns, it is case sensitive, we have to provide the correct name, password, then values, what values we want to insert. The first, for name, we want to insert this value. Similarly for email and for phone and for password and for actually 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 username. We have to provide one more variable for username. Username will be $_post and username here. Let me check this username. Yes, now before this password, what I have to do, I have simply provide one more parameter, username. Now I will repeat this query. We have to create a variable here, as I have created SQL query, and then the query will be for inserting data into database. We have to write insert into, then the name of the table inside a database, and the name of table is register in my case, and then the columns for which we want to insert the value name, email, phone, username, password, name, email, phone, username, password. So you have to write this way. Now what we have to do, we have written the query, but we have to execute this query. So the connection variable which we have created earlier, actually what we will do, we will not create a connection here. We will simply use the connection which we have created in the previous video. We will include that very file connect.php. So save this, and I will show you the connect.php. Connect.php is this file. In here we have created a variable con. That's why I am using that very variable here, con query. Then we have to provide the query here. This is the query. So what I'm doing, I am using the connection variable con, and then calling this function query function, and then providing the query which I want to execute. And then the return value of this query method is true or false. If the query executes successfully, then it will return true, and otherwise it will return false. So I will compare this value with true here. Triple equal to means the identical operator. We have discussed this in operators. Now we will echo a message, record inserted successfully. Actually we will provide a break here. Else record insertion failure. So let us save this and check this on browser. First I will refresh this and provide a name here, email, and then username and password be 123456. Confirm password 123456. Now click on this register. Record insertion failure. Let's give a message here. Let's see why it is showing this. $_con. Actually we have to close the connection. $_con dot close. It's not dot, it is actually this way. Let's check this file. Actually, what we have to do, we have to cut this and paste it like this. Let us refresh this and check this again. Record inserted successfully. So we will see here. You can see Sharifuddin Bhatt, email, phone, and username and password. So in this way, we insert data in into our database using PHP. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, Technophile. Thank you.